I'm here in downtown Vancouver, and I'm going to use two cameras to record the activities of this part of the city. So this is the intersection between Burrard Street and George Street. This is one of the busiest and one of the most important business district here in downtown Vancouver. So in here, I have two camera, a GoPro 8 and a Nikon Z6 full frame camera. So this GoPro in the left side, you notice it's angled 45-degree with respect to the Nikon camera. So my intention is for the GoPro to record what is going on to the left side of this crossing, whereas this Nikon, this bigger camera, the Nikon Z6, will be recording what's going on to the opposite of the street. So this two camera is going to record two sceneries that is almost in the same place but at a different angle to each other. This is going to create more details of what's going on to this city part of the city. This is going to make it more interesting as opposed to when I'm just going to use a single camera to record these city activities. Now I'm going to combine them together and you will see what happens. You can see on the left side there's more details that you can see in another scenery, and compared to the right side, so you can see it's totally different. The perspective of the two footage taken using two cameras are also different, but at least now you can see and you can contrast between the two. So though they are taken at a different angle, you can still associate the street of the city and also the building. This is a good technique of presenting scenery when you are introducing a place, especially when you are traveling and creating a travel video. This is a very unique, and I've never seen anybody doing this before. So if you are going to create it, then you will be the second one, because I believe that I'm the first one to do this kind of style of video composition, wherein I'm going to combine two scenery into a single video.
We used to hang around town pretty late. I spent the week thinking about our next day. It was easier then, so much easier then. Or like that time I picked you up outside of school. You said, screw my dad, I make my own rules. It was easier then, so much easier then. Take me back to those easy summer days when we stopped at nothing, babe. Yeah, we stopped at nothing, baby. They couldn't take us, they couldn't change us, they couldn't catch us if they tried. Now we didn't care at all about winter or spring or fall. We felt so alive, and girl, we were thriving on kisses and sunshine.